Are you recording?
Yes.
Hello, and welcome back to Those2 Productions. Today we will be eating a nut roll. Let's dive right into it. With 220 calories and 90 of those being from fat, the nut roll can be a perfect snack for anyone. Unless you are allergic to nuts. Then don't. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at those nuts. I think that's an almond right there. That's a peanut right there. And there's some peanut butter as well. All right. Yum. I give it 8 out of 12 because it's too salty. Thank you.